Hello, so this is going to be London vlog 2. I'm with Amy, London, and we're in London this time for about, is it 4 days, 3 nights. So this will hopefully be a nice musical themed trip. So today we're just kind of exploring some more because we're not from London. Oh, right, as I was saying before I lost my ticket, we're back in London for another little trip, and it's going to be hopefully filled with musicals. So today we're just exploring London, just the wee bits that we never got to see last time, and tomorrow we get to go see Eugenius in the afternoon, and then in the evening we're going to go see Heathers. So I've been looking forward to this for a while, and she has seen it multiple times. So good. Yeah, multiple times. So I feel like I can finally catch this vlog up to speed now. Okay, so right, so after I left tomorrow, we went to London, well, both London bridges. Yeah, so we went to both the London bridges, and now we are into the next day. So we're up, we're at the hotel room, and now we're just off to the train station to go into town, and yeah, we've got 2 musicals to catch up on today, which is really awesome, because this is literally the main reason we came down to London, to go see the musicals. So the first one is Eugenius, and the second one will be Heathers later tonight. So we're excited! I thought I wasn't going to get to see Heathers due to me being at camp, but because it extended the run, now I can go see it, which is really amazing. And yeah. Ta-da! I'm just thinking that, Amy, how was it?
I think I've watched for that, that was amazing. I want to go for it.
up from earlier. We went to the other palace, we seen Eugenius. It was absolutely so incredible. Me and Amy were like I think it was like row C, so we're the third from the stage. And I couldn't have asked for any better seats, as like all the seats were like really well angled. So, like that's what I love about that building. So yeah, I've actually got no words for that. It's like what we experienced was absolute. It's like it's genius. Pun intended. Okay, so now that we've had food at the other palace, we had pizza, nachos. I'll probably insert some clips of our lovely food. We had our themed cocktails. So you had the Diva, the Space Diva cocktail, and I had the Evil Genius one, I think it was. They ran out of the blue dye, so I got a yellow one instead. So now we're on the way to the Royal Haymarket Theatre because we're going to see Heathers. Oh, I can't wait. So we're gonna pick up our tickets and I'm so excited. It's just, this is like truly a musical day. Straight ahead. Yeah, so this has truly been like one of the best days of my life. If I put summer aside, this is one of the best ever days, literally, because we mainly travelled down here just for the musicals. Well, we just travelled down here for the musicals. So Eugenius, Heathers, hopefully we'll go back to see Eugenius tomorrow before we go back up to Scotland, but yeah. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, whoever watches my videos. We made it. Wonderful, massive Heathers posters. So now we need to go and collect the tickets, and yeah, I'm so excited. Hello wonderful people, so we are out of Heathers. I am an emotional wreck right now because that was bloody amazing. That was literally one of the best things that I've seen in my life. Like today has been the best thing ever. I'm so extremely happy that I went to go down and see it. Eugenius, bloody amazing. Heathers, out the roof. So we got in, our seats were a lot closer than what we thought they would be, and that's fine, it's totally fine. I was not expecting to be that close. Oh my god, is that London Eye? Yeah. Yes. Like, does it go over here? Up here? New update, we're going to London Eye. So, we went to go see Eugenius earlier, we went to go see Heathers, and they were both bloody amazing. Now we've ended up at London Eye. Don't know if this is exactly London Eye or if it's just over there, but either way, we made it over and it looks really nice at night. I've never actually seen it in person. It was the same with London Bridge. We've not actually walked over that yet, but probably another time because we walked past it either way. I feel like I have been robbed a little. I have bought so much merch that I'm just like yeah, so when we went to Eugenius, I bought a programme, a t-shirt and the pins, because I always need to buy a programme at a musical. It's a bit like at concerts, I'll always need to buy a tour t-shirt. Oh, my dress is coming up. I always need to buy a tour t-shirt at like a gig, t-shirt programme, and the pins. That being because I like pins. I kind of collect them in my little mug in my merch drawer. Yes, I have a merch drawer. I might actually do a little merch haul and show you what I have in it, but that will be another video completely. So that was my merch from Eugenius and at Heather's. They never really had that much. Apparently last night they only had the t-shirt and the compact mirror, but today they only had it was a purse, a hat, or this lovely jacket that says Heather's on it. The varsity jacket, is it? It's a varsity jacket, yeah. I've never actually had one of these before, but it's really cozy. I love it. I'm literally just going to wear this everywhere. I'm going to wear it everywhere. It's going to be my new jacket. Before this jacket, it was my Dan and Phil hoodie. I just constantly wore that. So yeah. So right now we are just wandering around, touring the streets of London like proper tourists. It's been a really brilliant, bloody amazing day.
I want to see Eugenius again.
Yes, I feel like we're just gonna go and see Eugenius again. Eugenius was amazing, and if we can get Heather's tickets again before we go back home, brilliant. I will absolutely love that. Like, I will really love that. Yeah, and that concludes most of tonight's vlog. If I add on more, then it will be there, but other than that, yeah, kind of good night for tonight. So it is 2:10 and we just got back to the hotel room. It has been a really eventful night. So the fun thing about today was that it was absolutely bloody brilliant until we got back to the subway station so that we could get home, and it closed. The underground closed for the night, and the guy pointed us in the direction of Waterloo station, so we walked away down from Leicester Square? Yeah, Leicester Square. So we walked from there all the way down, and that station had started to close. We couldn't get a train back because we'd missed the train by like half an hour. So we had to Uber it. Yeah, so that was a really fun experience, and yeah. And we managed to finally get an Uber, which then took us an hour to get back. The really nice thing was it was a cheap Uber. Gonna take my face off, jump into this lovely bed that has my jammies on it. Right. Good night.
Ground floor.
So this is day number 3 in London. So it is our last full day here, and we've had an alright start to the day. We woke up roughly on time, and now we're just kind of wandering around. This morning we got tickets to see to go see Heather's again because it was bloody amazing last night. But yeah, that's kind of what we've been up to. Woke up, got ready, went to Starbucks for some food. Our train was delayed, so we had to wait a while at the train station, but yeah. We are now heading towards the Haymarket Theatre. We're going to go and get some food hopefully, and then it's time for Heather's. So we've just been kind of sitting around the past like a few hours. And we just sat at a lovely fountain here. Yeah, we're just gonna go chill for Heathers. Right, so another night, another show, and that was the end of that show. So tonight was the last night that we could actually catch a show, and yeah. We went to see Heathers, probably mentioned that before, but we went since it was the last night. We seen it last night and it was incredible, so we decided to come back and see it again. I'm kind of upset that I'm going home. Amy, I kind of want to go home. I don't want to go home either. Yeah, I'm kind of hoping that like, we can come back and see it again just once more, because it was amazing. Literally, it was like one of the best things that I have seen, and yeah, so. We are back from town. We got back from Heathers. We are just going to bed, and tomorrow we need to get up and pack and hopefully wake up a lot more energetic. I'm ready. Okay, so today we leave London. Really don't want to, but sadly we do. Okay, I've just packed my case. Well, attempted to. I've got all my clothes and whatnot here. I'm trying to fit my merch in. So obviously it's like I wore my Dan and Phil hoodie down because it's just so cozy. But I got this Heathers hoodie, well, like the varsity jacket, and I don't really like to wear merch that much, like unless it's like normal like hoodies and stuff. But it's like I don't want to ruin this because it's that cozy. So I just like to wear it though because it's cozy, because it literally, it's like the material in it is actually really good. So I'm just gonna keep this on because it looks like it's about to rain outside, if you can see that. Yep, so it looks like it's gonna rain outside. I've been having a little dance party to the Heathers soundtrack. It is the American one sadly, because there is no UK one yet. Hopefully the Jamaican one though, because because like obviously there's like new songs and stuff, and I need to hear some more of the new song. It's like, oh, it's so good. I don't want to go home. I want to go, like, come back and see Heathers. Me and Amy might be coming back down on the last, like on the closing night. So chat and there's people from like Australia and like Ireland and stuff. Yeah. Would you be able to say hi in a video to them?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. There you go.
Hi to everyone on the group chat. Love you lots. Mwah, wish you were here.
Okay, so we woke up, got the train, we went to the theatre and I waited, and then Amy got there, and then we met Kanu. I'm actually quite happy. Well, I went to the theatre to take some Polaroids of the posters, because they looked really nice in Polaroids for some really odd reason. We have got our cases, we have made our way back through to Piccadilly again, because I quite like this place. I like the look of all the theatres. So we're just going to find a cafe certain cafe we're gonna go to. We're gonna spend the next like 40 so minutes there before we need to run and catch the train from Euston back to Glasgow, which is kind of sad because I really want to stay here, but this has been a different kind of vlog compared to my other ones. So I usually do like the highlighty kind of vlogs with music, but this time it's me talking as well. So hope you enjoyed that. And here's some more things of what we're up to. Alright, so I'm back home now. So the last clip that I put up was probably us running for the train. Maybe, well, on our way to the train station actually. I couldn't film us getting on the train because we were running for it. It's kind of hard to film and run with a suitcase. But yeah, and oh my god, the shows were amazing. Everything was amazing. They're so good though. I want to go see them again. Okay. Hopefully I will go see Heathers again for the closing date. Sadly, I can't afford to go down to see Eugenius before it ends. But I'm really happy I got the chance to go and see Eugenius the other day. Literally going to see Eugenius, then Heathers straight after that was literally the best day I could ever ask for. Oh, my arm's getting sore. Okay, so I am back in my lovely room. It says welcome home for me. That was from when I came back from America. But yeah, I'm just like spamming my Instagram with all of these travel pictures. I really enjoyed the lights in the theatre cafe. They're really nice lights. I wish I had lights like this, just dotted lights around the outside. No. Maybe when I move out though. Maybe. My tea is getting cold. Can we just appreciate this little mug? Like, look how cute it is. I'm gonna end the vlog now before I don't end it. Okay, thank you for watching these London vlogs, or vlog, depends if I put them all into the one, but thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these, I like making travel vlogs, they're fun. Yeah, so I like making these vlogs for memories. It's always nice to look back on them, even if nobody else watches them. So if you do like these videos, then please go ahead and give them a nice thumbs up. Even subscribe if you want to see more travel videos, or comment under them if you like the travel videos. I do want to try and do more vloggy things instead of like the vlog highlight kind of things. So yeah, good night.